Commercial refrigeration demands more than products. It demands quality. At Alen Doors, reliability isn't promised, it's engineered. We are a Mexican manufacturer specializing in the design, engineering, and production of reach-in doors and PVC structural panels for commercial and industrial refrigeration systems. We develop integrated solutions designed to meet the demands of an industry where thermal efficiency, durability, and reliable performance are essential. Every stage of our manufacturing process is driven by a single objective: delivering refrigeration solutions engineered to perform at the highest level. Our reach-in doors, built with aluminum and PVC frames, are designed for the demanding conditions of commercial refrigeration. High-efficiency insulated glass units, premium performance components, condensation-free operation, functional, energy-efficient designs, decorative glass printing to showcase your brand, fast replacement parts directly from the manufacturer, and custom configurations and dimensions tailored to the specific needs of every project. The result is a solution that helps preserve the cold chain, reduce energy consumption, and maximize product visibility. Our PVC structural panels, featuring high-density polyurethane foam insulation, are engineered for walk-in coolers and freezers that require superior thermal performance, airtight construction, and hygienic conditions for food preservation. We also manufacture service doors, sliding doors, wine cellar doors, and a wide range of specialized solutions that combine functionality, efficiency, and performance, regardless of the project size or complexity. Together with our sister companies, Perfecom and Polishell, we have built an integrated manufacturing operation that brings together the key processes behind every solution we produce. This synergy allows us to oversee every stage of production, optimize lead times, and ensure that every component contributes to the overall performance of the finished product. Every process is designed to deliver precision, structural integrity, and long-term reliability. To validate our standards, we rely on a specialized testing laboratory operated by our sister company, Perfecom, following methodologies recognized by the Mexican accreditation entity, EMA. Our products undergo rigorous testing to evaluate energy efficiency, structural strength, load capacity, condensation resistance, flammability, and continuous operational performance. We foster a culture built on precision, where every member of our team plays an active role in ensuring the quality, performance, and reliability of every solution we manufacture. Every product that leaves our facility represents the dedication, responsibility, and pride of the people who make it possible to meet the highest standards of the commercial refrigeration industry. Alen Doors, engineered solutions for commercial refrigeration.